Hi children, very good morning to one and all. This is Mr. S. Kishore Kumar, DAV Louis Vickard Bharati Vidya Mandir from AP Zone 2. I feel very privileged that as per instructions given by our respected regional officer Sri M. Uma Maheshwar Rao sir from AP Zone 2, we would like to start new academic session 2020-21 online classes. We are providing a more convenient, efficient and accessible way of supporting students with our online classes with home assignments in their educational journey and personal pathway to success in their holidays due to COVID-19. We provide high caliber professional excellent way of online communication. We are here with uploading concepts using teaching learning material like virtual videos using PPT, website link for references, activity videos, worksheets for home assignments as per their timetable schedule designed by the regional office. In connecting this program, we would like to organize mathematics classes for class 10 children by myself and Mr. M. Raghuram sir, head of DAV High School Zuvari under ROSR guidelines. All the best for new academic session 2020-21 children. Without wasting our time, we would like to start class. Let's have a glance. Yes, for class 10 children, your first topic name is real numbers. So before entering into the real numbers, you should have a basic knowledge on number system. Yes. If you observe this block diagram, here natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, integers are there, rational numbers are there, irrational numbers are there. These all are you have studied in your previous classes. Once again, we would like to recapitulate the basics in number system. So please concentrate children. Yes, this is the natural number system. The natural numbers are the numbers which are starting with the 1. So simply it is called the counting numbers also. Once again children, the positive numbers which are started from the 1. So the natural numbers are denoted with the letter n, and you can say that the least natural number is 1, but we can't say the highest natural number. And coming to the whole numbers, so if you add 0 to the natural numbers, you will get a whole number. So we can say the definition, the positive numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Now coming to the integers. So positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0 are called integers. Already we have discussed the natural numbers are denoted with the letter n, the whole numbers are denoted with the letter w, and the integers are denoted with the letter z. I hope you could understand this slide. Yes, rational numbers. Rational numbers, the numbers which can be written in p by q form and the denominator never be 0. So we know that here you just observe q, the rational numbers are denoted with the letter q, and the numbers which can be written in p by q form and q never be 0, and p and q are integers here, and the q should not reach the 0. In integer 0 is there, but the denominator should not equal to 0. You keep it in your mind. In general way, rational numbers are the numbers that can be written as a ratio. That means it can be written as following examples. If 3 is there, you can write 3 by 1. 7 is there, you can write 7 by 1, like that. And 6.73, you know how to write it, 673 by 100. 5 and 2 by 7, it's a mixed fraction is there, you can convert into improper fraction, you can write 37 by 7. These all are the examples of the rational numbers. Now irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are nothing but which are not written in p by q form, or which are not the rational numbers or irrational numbers. And the numbers, if you observe, It is the non-terminating, non-recurring numbers are called irrational numbers. All the numbers that are not rationals are considered irrational. An irrational number is endless, non-repeating digits to the right of the decimal point. Here some examples are there. You can easily differentiate which is the rational number, which is not the rational number. Here the first one, root 6 is an irrational number. What is the reason? Because when you calculate, you will get 2.4494 and so on. It's a non-terminating, non-recurring. And 4.6 is not an irrational. That means it's a rational. Because you can write 4.6 as 46 by 10 and you can represent in P by Q form. And root 12 is an irrational number. Because if you calculate the root 12, the value should be 3.4641 and so on, because it's a non-terminating, non-recurring. And root 49 is there. It's not a irrational number, it's a rational, because you will get the answer 7. 7 you can write in P by Q form, 7 by 1. I hope you could understand. Yes, once again children, here once again block diagram is given. So we have discussed once again, the natural numbers are nothing but the positive numbers which are started from the 1 or counting numbers are called natural numbers. So in natural numbers which are there in blue color, if you add the 0, automatically the whole one will be a whole numbers. Because what is the definition of a whole numbers? The positive numbers along with 0. The positive numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Yes, now it's time for integers. Integers are nothing but the positive numbers. Negative numbers along with 0 are called the integers. So in integers, whole numbers are there and natural numbers also there. So it's time for the rational numbers. In rational numbers, integers also there, whole numbers also there, and natural numbers also there. Already we have discussed the numbers which can be written in P by Q form, and where P and Q are integers. Only the thing is Q is not equals to 0. So that is only the condition there. So irrational numbers also we have discussed in previous slide. The numbers which are which are not written in P by Q form, and the non-terminating and non-recurring numbers are called irrational numbers. The examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 7, root 3, root 5, root 10. These all are called irrational numbers. I hope you could understand. The thing is, you have to know the main thing. Why did we discuss the number system? To find out the real numbers. So what are the real numbers? So the rational numbers and irrational numbers. So rational numbers are denoted with the letter Q. The irrational numbers are denoted with the Q dash. So Q union Q dash. The combination of rationals and irrationals are called real numbers. Once again children, the combination of rationals and irrationals are called real numbers. So real numbers are nothing but the combination of rationals and irrationals. I hope you could understand this session. Thank you very much.